Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to do a total body exercise. It's basically one exercise, but it's several exercises actually, but one continuous movement, okay? And it's really all you need. It's my go-to exercise, okay? You do this for 30 days, you will get yourself in shape in no time, okay? So I'm going to get us ready. Stretch out before your workout. Now see you in a minute. All right, guys, here we go. For this exercise, you're going to need a couple of dumbbells. They don't have to be heavyweight, guys. You'll notice I don't lift up heavy weight anymore. Okay, so grab yourself a couple of dumbbells, 8 pounds, 10 pounds if you like, whatever you want. Just make sure that it's light enough or heavy enough for you to be able to control it. Okay, so we're going to grab these dumbbells, and basically what we're going to do is a squat, okay? It's going to be a squat, a hammer curl, and a press, okay? All together in one continuous movement. So let me show you how it's done. Let's get started, okay? Remember to bend at your knees, guys, okay? So let's do a side view, okay? And we're going to do a squat, okay? So basically we're going to go down, hammer curl, and a press, okay? Okay, that feels good. All right, guys, the next one we're going to do is for slightly advanced. Okay, it's a little slightly advanced, and it's a burpee, dumbbell burpee. Okay, with and you're going to pop up, do a hammer curl and a press. Okay, again, it's a little advanced, but you'll get there. You can do this. Okay. So again, bend the knees, guys. Remember to always bend the knees. Grab the weight. I'm going to do a side view for you, okay? And these are for slightly advanced, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to come up, straight up, curl, press, okay? Those feel good. Again, a little advanced, but you'll get there. All right, guys, this next one, pretty advanced, okay? It's a burpee, a push-up, a hammer curl, and a press all in one, okay? This exercise does everything from your entire body, especially your core, because it's stabilizing you, because it's got to accommodate for all these exercises in one movement. Okay, so again, bend at your knees and pick up the weight. Okay, we're gonna go slow, guys. This is not a race, okay? Just take it easy, okay? We're gonna do a side view, like a basic burpee, okay? Out, bring it down, top up, and boom. Okay? That feels good. All right, guys. All right, guys, that last one was a good one. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, go slow. Okay, this is not a race. The main thing is to keep moving. You do these exercises from the beginning, from the beginner to the advanced, and you should whip yourself into shape in no time. Remember, 30 days is all it takes. A few minutes a day for 30 days, no excuses, and this will definitely rejuvenate you and energize you for the rest of the day, the rest of your life. Okay, make it a lifestyle. All right, so hope everybody's doing well. Till next time, we'll talk to you all soon. Peace out.